What if I told you that your biggest enemy is not failure, but waiting? Waiting for the right moment. Waiting for motivation. Waiting until you feel ready. That wait is killing your dreams. Think about this. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow," and then tomorrow never comes? How many ideas have you let slip away because you doubted yourself, overthought it, or simply waited for the perfect time? The truth is, the perfect time does not exist. The only thing that exists is now. Look at Elon Musk. Do you think he waited for the right time to build Tesla or SpaceX? No, he took action despite uncertainty. Or consider J.K. Rowling. She was a struggling single mother when she wrote Harry Potter on scraps of paper. She didn't wait for the perfect circumstances. She took action despite the odds. And that's the difference between success and regret. Successful people take action before they feel ready.
This is the ultimate course on creating these types of animations. Here's a channel with 100k plus subscribers and just 52 videos, and the views are in millions. Here's another channel with 180k plus subscribers and just 29 videos. Each of his videos has millions of views. You can create them using a basic tool called Canva, and we'll use only free tools. I'll also show you how to create thumbnails, write engaging titles with emojis, and craft descriptions and tags for SEO. Through my SEO method, you can instantly get tons of views from a Western audience. You can go viral within your first few videos. So stay tuned till the end for the complete roadmap. Before starting, make sure to subscribe. First, we need a new YouTube channel. You can create one within a few seconds, but it will have 0 subscribers and 0 watch time hours. And YouTube will not pay until you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days. So, how do we overcome this headache? Simply go to the description and you'll find this. Here, you can get a pre-monetized YouTube account. You can choose between an Eastern or Western audience. Now, we have a channel that can make money from the first video. You'll just have to set a logo and a name. Let's create the first video. Open ChatGPT, but you need a prompt. So again, go to this video's description and open this blog. Here, you'll find a master prompt. You just have to enter your own details in the red parts. Enter your niche, topic, and type, and your prompt will be ready. If not, you can choose from these ready-made prompts for different niches. You can select from motivational, business, AI, education, finance, and many more. Let's try the motivational niche. Select and copy the prompt. Then, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Now, ChatGPT is asking for topic and the core idea. You can put one if you have it, but I'm leaving it to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT has written a script on the topic "Stop Waiting, Take Action." We have the complete script ready. For voiceover, I'll suggest Clipchamp as it is completely free. Open the Clipchamp website. Create a new video, click Record and Create, then Text to Speech. Here, we need to enter the text. Go back to ChatGPT. We don't need the whole script, just the narration parts. Ask ChatGPT to separate and give you the narration part only. Make sure it's in paragraph format. Here we have the narration script. Copy it and paste it into Clipchamp. Then, go to Voices, you'll find a lot of options. Each voice is perfect and professional. I choose Andrew's voice. In advanced settings, you can adjust voice pitch and pace. Choose a language, in my case, it is English. But I'll recommend creating videos in different languages, especially in your local language. Hit save, and the voice will be added to the timeline.
What if I told you that your biggest enemy is not failure?
Then, simply export it. For video creation, search and open the Canva website. Canva is a web-based graphic designing tool. Here's Canva pricing in this video. We'll only use free features, but you may need the pro version for advanced creation. Open Canva. Choose YouTube thumbnail. Go to Elements and search for white background. Add a background to the canvas. Right-click and set image as background. Then, duplicate the page. In this way, create multiple pages. Go to ChatGPT for the script. Copy the first line. In Canva, click on Text and add a text box. Paste the text. Go to Fonts and choose one according to your channel branding. Comic Sans works best for these videos. Then, go to Elements and search for Stick Figure. Click on the 3 dots and View More by Stink Sasek. You can choose any creator and use only their images for the entire video. Here, you'll find a lot of graphics. Search according to your script text. You have to be creative. Add it to the canvas, adjust its size, and set the text size. Once it's ready, duplicate the text and add it to the next page. Copy the next part of the script and paste it. Search for another animation and add it. You can experiment with different styles to make it better. Sometimes, you may not find a suitable image in Canva. For example, there's no image of Elon Musk. So, search for it on Google, download the image, and upload it to Canva. Use BG Remover to remove the background. Adjust the image size and position. Now, all the images are ready. Click on Share, then download in the highest quality. The images will be in a zip file. You'll need to extract them. For video editing, I am using CapCut. Open a new project. Drag and drop all the images. Select Sort by Name, and choose A to Z. This will arrange the images in sequence. Select all images and add them to the timeline. Make sure they are in order. Then, add the voiceover file to CapCut. Right-click and Separate Audio. Delete the visual part. Play the video. When narration ends, trim the extra part. Adjust the entire video in this way. For background music, only use YouTube's audio library for copyright-free music. Go to studio.youtube.com, then Audio Library. Here, search for music. After a long search, I found this music. Simply download it. YouTube confirms that we can monetize it. Drag and drop the music into CapCut. Trim and delete the extra part. Reduce its volume to -20 decibels. Now, the video is ready.
What if I told you that your biggest enemy is not failure, but waiting? Waiting for the right moment. Waiting for motivation. Waiting.
Click on Export, choose Resolution 2K, and frame rate 50. Export the video. Now, we need a channel and a thumbnail for it. Go to agro.shop. Choose between international or Western audience, add it to the cart, and check out. Hit Complete Order. You'll get a channel like this. Go to YouTube Studio. We need a name and a logo for it. Go to ChatGPT, tell it about your channel and niche, and ask for name suggestions. I like the first name. For the logo, go to Canva. Click More and choose YouTube logo. Add the same background to the canvas. Go to Animations and choose one according to the channel's name and niche. You can add a circle to check which part will be visible. Then, export it in JPG format as it takes less space. Go to YouTube Studio, then Customization. Change the logo, name, and username. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a channel description. Use that description. Now, here's the most important setting. Many users ask if a new video will get views since the channel was in a different niche. So, delete the tags. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate new tags for your channel, formatted with commas at the end. ChatGPT knows more about SEO than us. Go to Upload Defaults and delete any previous content. Now, we are ready to upload our first video. Upload the video we created. GPT and ask for title suggestions. Choose one and paste it. Then, ask ChatGPT to write a long, SEO-optimized description filled with keywords. Many people say we shouldn't use ChatGPT for descriptions, but ChatGPT has access to vast SEO knowledge. Copy and paste the description. Now, we need to generate a thumbnail. Open Canva, choose YouTube thumbnail, and use the same white background. Go back to ChatGPT, pick a phrase from the titles, or ask for thumbnail text suggestions. I liked one from the titles. Then, add a stick animation that matches the video topic. Add a text box and paste the text. Adjust them for a perfect fit. Here, our thumbnail is ready. Export it in JPG format. Upload the thumbnail. For tags, go to ChatGPT and ask for SEO-optimized tags, formatted with commas. Copy and paste them, deleting any extras. Set the video language to English. Now, you are ready to go. Upload daily in the beginning. Later, upload based on your schedule and time management.